Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this video, I will explain the important confusing current affairs from January to May month. Friends, be watch carefully. I will explain clearly. We start. Andhra Pradesh government has launched Niga app. Andhra Pradesh government has launched Niga app for upcoming municipal local body elections to prevent model code of conduct violations. To prevent model code of conduct violations. Friends, Niga app which is launched by Andhra Pradesh state government. In the same manner, Himachal Pradesh government has launched Niga app to aware family members of migrant returnees. Friends, please be remember Niga, Nigha, ends with A, so A stands for Andhra Pradesh. Please be remember like that. And Nigah ends with H. H stands for Himachal Pradesh. Please be remember like that only. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister is Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy and Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan. And present Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh is Jairam Thakur and Governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. Next, Kerala becomes the first state to commence clinical trial plasma therapy treatment. Clinical trial plasma therapy treatment. It is conducted by Kerala. It is the first state in the country. Kerala clinical sounds like same. Kerala clinical. Please be remember like that. And Goa becomes the first state to integrate allopathy and Ayurveda to treat COVID-19 patients. Allopathy and Ayurveda to treat COVID-19 patients. Goa, allopathy, Ayurveda. Next, Uttar Pradesh become the first state to initiate pool testing of COVID-19. Pool testing of COVID-19. Uttar Pradesh pool testing. And Rajasthan is the first Indian state to carry out rapid testing for COVID-19 patients. Rapid Rajasthan. Please be remember. The present Chief Minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan and Goa CM is Pramod Sawant and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath and Chief Minister of Rajasthan is the present Chief Minister of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot. Next, Odisha government in collaboration with UNICEF launches Mo Pratibha program to engage kids during lockdown. Once again, Odisha government in collaboration with UNICEF launches Mo Pratibha program to engage kids during lockdown. UNICEF stands for United Nations Children's Fund. The headquarters of UNICEF is New York, USA, and present Director General of UNICEF is Henrietta H. Fore, and present Chief Minister of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik, and Governor is Ganeshi Lal. Next, Odisha Chief Minister launched Mo Jiban program. Mo Jiban means my life. Mo Jiban program and urged people to take pledge to stay indoors to control COVID-19 outbreak. Once again, Odisha CM launches Mo Jiban program. Mo Jiban means my life. The present Chief Minister of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik. Next, Hindustan Unilever join hands with UNICEF. Hindustan Unilever join hands with UNICEF to launch Break the Chain campaign against coronavirus. Once again, Hindustan Unilever join hands with UNICEF to launch Break the Chain campaign against coronavirus. The headquarters of UNICEF is New York, USA, and Director General is Henrietta H4A. Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers has organized a social awareness campaign named Break the Corona Chain. Break the Corona Chain. It is a social awareness campaign. It is organized by Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative. The headquarters of Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative is New Delhi, and present chairman is Balwinder Singh Nakai, or B.S. Nakai is the present chairman of IFCO, and the present Union Minister for Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers is D.V. Sadananda Gowda, and his constituency is Bengaluru, North Karnataka. Next, Poker Stars India has appointed Indian former captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni as its new ambassador. Once again, Poker Star India has appointed Indian former captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni as its new brand ambassador. Poker Star is an online poker card room. It is owned by Star Group. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is also captain of one of the IPL teams, that is Chennai Super Kings. Next, Rohit Sharma was named as brand ambassador of Dubai-based cricket coaching academy named Crick Kingdom. Crick Kingdom, it is a Dubai-based cricket coaching academy. For this, Rohit Sharma has been appointed as brand ambassador. And next, IQ stands for iQuest On and On, named Indian cricketer and captain Virat Kohli as its brand ambassador. And one more, Mobile Premier League brand ambassador also Virat Kohli along with Tamanna Bhatia. Next, Badminton World Champion PV Sindhu is appointed as brand ambassador for Andhra Pradesh government anti-graft helpline or anti-corruption helpline 14400. Recently, Shetler PV Sindhu has been appointed as brand ambassador for Andhra Pradesh anti-graft helpline. And one more, Badminton World Champion PV Sindhu named as one of the ambassadors for Badminton World Federation I Am Badminton Awareness Campaign. I Am Badminton Awareness Campaign brand ambassador is PV Sindhu. The headquarters of Badminton World Federation is Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Next, recently some companies buy stakes in Reliance Jio platform. For this, recently Facebook buys 9.99% stake for 43,574 crores. 43,574 crores. The headquarters of Facebook is California, USA, and founder is Mark Zuckerberg. And one more, Silver Lake buys 1.15% stake in Reliance Jio platforms for 5,665.75 crores. And in the same way, US based company Vista Equity Partners buys 2.32% stake in 11,367. Both Vista and KKR buys same percentage for same amount, that is 2.32% stake for 11,367. And one more, General Atlantic buys 1.34% stake for 6,598.38 crores. Friends, these are the important acquires which are done recently. The headquarters of Reliance Industries is Mumbai. Next, US President Donald Trump nominated Indian American lawyer Ashok Michael Pinto. Once again, US President Donald Trump nominated Indian American lawyer Ashok Michael Pinto as a representative to the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD. It is one of the World Bank's leading arm. The headquarters of World Bank is Washington DC. Recently, for the one of the arms of World Bank, that is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, to this US President Donald Trump appointed Indian American lawyer Michael Pinto as a representative. And next, US President Donald Trump nominated senior Indian American diplomat Manisha Singh. Once again, Manisha Singh appoints senior Indian American to the OECD representative. Once again, US President Donald Trump appointed representative to the OECD as Manisha Singh. The headquarters of OECD is Paris, France, and present Director General is Jose Angel Gurria. Jose Angel Gurria is the present Director General of Organization for Economic and Cooperation Development. Next, Yes Bank appoints, once again, Yes Bank appoints Prashant Kumar is MD and CEO. Recently, Yes Bank has appointed Prashant Kumar as its new MD and CEO, and Neeraj Dhawan appointed as Chief Risk Officer. Once again, MD and CEO is Prashant Kumar, Chief Risk Officer is Neeraj Dhawan. The headquarters of Yes Bank is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, Himachal Pradesh government has started E-Sanjeevani OPD, through which free medical consultation and general health advice will be provided to the people at their residence state throughout the state. Recently, E-Sanjeevani OPD, it is a online medical consultation and general health insurance advice. It is announced by Himachal Pradesh state government. And Sanjeevani, the first of its kind unique vehicle developed by Madhya Pradesh to help healthcare workers. Once again, E-Sanjeevani OPD, initiative of Himachal Pradesh state government for free online medical consultation and general health advice. And Sanjeevani, it is a unique vehicle developed by Madhya Pradesh state government to help healthcare workers. Don't confuse. Next, Kerala launched a digital literacy drive Kerala state government has launched a digital literacy drive, that is I am also digital, in the Thiruvananthapuram to create public awareness about e-government. Public awareness about e-governance. Recently, Kerala state government has launched I am also digital, a literacy drive for public awareness about e-governance. Next, Facebook launched We Think Digital. Facebook launched We Think Digital program to provide digital literacy training to 1 lakh women across 7 states. Once again, We Think Digital program launched by Facebook. I am also digital, launched by Kerala state government. Next, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, CBIC. Once again, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs appointed M. Ajit Kumar is the chairman. M. Ajit Kumar is the chairman. The headquarter of Central Board of Indirect Taxes is New Delhi. And Manoj Ahuja appointed as the Chief of Central Board of Secondary Education. Central Board of Secondary Education. M. Ajit Kumar, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Manoj Ahuja, Central Board of Secondary Education. The headquarter of Central Board of Secondary Education is New Delhi. Next, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa, has launched Aptamitra helpline toll-free number. Aptamitra helpline toll-free number. It is launched by Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa to fight against COVID-19 pandemic. This app provides medical guidance for people in need. This app provides medical guidance for the people, those who are in need. Once again, Aptamitra helpline toll-free number launched by Karnataka CM. And one more, CM of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath launched Pravasi Rahat Mitra mobile application to support migrant workers. Aptamitra Karnataka State, Pravasi Rahat Mitra Uttar Pradesh State Government. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath. Next, Tripura CM Biplav Kumar Dev launches National Scholarship online portal under Mukhyamantri Yuva Yoga Yog Yojana. Mukhyamantri Yuva Yoga Yog Yojana. It is a national scholarship online portal which is launched by Chief Minister of Tripura Biplav Kumar Dev and Governor of Tripura is Ramesh Bayas. Next, Himachal Pradesh government launched Mukhyamantri Sahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana. Mukhyamantri Sahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana. It is an employment program. The Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh is Jairam Thakur and Governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. Next, Bengaluru based Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike. Once again, Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike has launched an initiative called Pranavayu. Pranavayu, it is a low oxygen level that puts them risk complications. It is Pranavayu developed by Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike. In same way, Pranavayu, it is developed by IIT Roorkee in association with AIIMS Roorkee. IIT Roorkee association with AIIMS Roorkee's low cost portable ventilator named Pranavayu. Don't confuse, both are like same. Pranavayu. It is developed by IIT Roorkee association with AIIMS Roorkee and Pranavayu Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike. Next, the Indian Railways coach producing unit Rail Coach Factory Kapurthala, it is in Punjab, has developed a low cost ventilator named G1. G1, it is a low cost ventilator. It is developed by Indian Railways Coach Producing Unit, Rail Coach Factory, Kapurthala, to combat COVID-19 crisis. And Aerobase Innovation Private Limited, a startup of Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, has designed low-cost portable emergency ventilator called G1 Lite. G1 Lite developed by IIT Hyderabad and G1 Rail Coach Factory, Kapurthala, Punjab. Friends, these are the important confusing GK related recent current affairs. If you want quizzes based on this video, join my Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. And subscribe my channel, like my videos, and also press bell icon. Thanks for watching.